Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Linktree. Linktree is a tool that allows you to create a landing page for your social media profile and websites. This page includes links to all your content, making it easy for your followers to access your content with just one click. And in this video, I will show you how to get money, how to make money using Linktree. So I will give you 10 ways to make money. So it's not directly from Linktree, but it increase your incomes, and you will understand when I tell you the 10 ways. So the first way is sell products or services. If you have a business or offer a service, you can use Linktree to promote and sell your products or service. You can include links to your store, to your online store, or booking page on your Linktree page. Second way is affiliate marketing. You can use Linktree to promote affiliate products and earn commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can include links to products related to your niche on your Linktree page. So yes, everything to do now is about links and gathering links and using links to get a link, to use a link to get money with that link. That's the purpose. The third way is donations. If you are a content creator or run a non-profit business, you can use Linktree to collect donations from your followers, or you can include your link to your donation page on your Linktree page. Like you can attach PayPal here. Let's add link. And I don't remember where did I put my PayPal. So I'll be right back with my PayPal link so you can donate to me. And here I added my PayPal account, connecting money or chip, try a chip, learn more. Not now. So here you can see the analytics if someone clicked on your account. So the first way is sell digital products. You can use Linktree to sell digital products such as ebooks, course, softwares, and others. You can include a link to your sales on your Linktree page. The fifth way is offer services. If you can offer freelance services, you can use Linktree to showcase your services and makes it easy for a potential client to contact you. You can include a link to your portfolio or contact page on your Linktree page. The sixth way is sell merchandise. If you have a merchandise store, you can use Linktree to promote it and sell your products. You can include a link to your online store on your Linktree page. Bro, here was thousands of notifications, subscriptions, revenue, and I thought this cannot be my account. And now I know it wasn't my account. It was an example. Subscribers, notification sent, notification clicked. Do some example data as I wish those were mines, but no, mines were literally zero. Imagine having zero activities, zero everything. So the seventh way is advertise sponsored content. If you have popular social media accounts, you can use your Linktree to advertise sponsored contents or products. You can include the link to the sponsored content to your Linktree page. The eighth way is to offer exclusive content. You can use Linktree to offer exclusive content to your followers, such as access to private Facebook group or member-only section of your website. You can include a Linktree to the exclusive content on your Linktree page. And here I should edit the Instagram thing because I really uploaded. I didn't give them a link. I just sent mine, wrote my account, and proceeded. But now it's good. Cool. What's that button? Apple Share. It's for iPhone or not? So the last way is to offer consultation service. If you are an expert in a particular field and you have experience, you can use Linktree to offer consultation service to your followers. You can include a link to your consultation page on your profile, on your Linktree profile. And here you go to Linktree. So in conclusion, Linktree is a powerful tool that can help you monetize your social media profile and websites in a variety of ways. By using these 10 ways to make money with Linktree, you can build a successful online business and earn a steady income. So after filling all your social media links and pages, this will look like a professional Linktree account. And here we have the upgrade. You see plans, subscriptions if you want more. If you are greedy and can't just use this. We have the starter pack, customized theme, buttons and fonts, clicks and views for past 19 days. Spotlight schedule, animated links, priority support, response time 24 hours, zero traction fees for limited time, and we have the pro and premium. You can be a beast, a monster using them. And I think guys that's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and tip me. I showed you my PayPal account. Do your job. Just kidding. Thanks for watching.